Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. For that we will have two ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap here on the editing symbol, then you are able to draw something inside, or you can also highlight something if you want. And here at the corners, you can crop also part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status. So pretty nice. And yeah, with that symbol you can share your edited screenshot directly, or with the arrow you can send it directly to your gallery. And as I said, there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that we will need the edge of our palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find the screenshots? Of course here at the gallery, and at the pictures here, they are mixed up with the camera pictures and videos and so on. So this is why I recommend you to go to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.